Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best point and shoot film camera you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many point and shoot film camera and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each point and shoot film camera, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a point and shoot film camera. First, think about the lens quality and aperture range, as they affect the sharpness and brightness of your photos. Next, check if the camera has full automatic or semi-automatic exposure modes, which make shooting easier for beginners. Consider the film format, whether it uses 35mm or a less common size, since film availability can vary. Look at the camera's build quality and portability. A compact, sturdy design is best for travel. Flash performance is also important, especially for indoor or low-light shots. Finally, research battery type and availability, since many older models use discontinued batteries. Always test or inspect the camera before buying to ensure it works properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful camera guides.